Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about this fifth point, cannot share the records dynamically at runtime. One of the user commented that saying that they didn't understand this particular concept. Maybe I will try to explain this in a simple way. Okay. So fifth is like cannot share the records dynamically at runtime. So dynamically at runtime in the sense, in the Salesforce settings. Okay, I mean to say the configuration part when you want to share a record with someone. Okay, so at that time we have to like you must decide everything beforehand only, like which user it should I mean should get that particular record, what access they should have, like read access or edit access, these kind of settings. Okay, it's like these particular rules are fixed in the configuration. So once you set them right in the Salesforce, that will only follow those fixed rules. Okay, but I mean, like what Salesforce can't do in the configuration is like, Salesforce cannot decide on the spot, like, oh, this time I have to share the record with the user A, next time I have to share this record with the user B, or now I have to give the read access, or I have to give the edit access later on. Okay, so Salesforce cannot change the sharing automatically based on the situation. Okay, this is what like cannot share the records dynamically at runtime means. It's like while the system or any particular suppose if I was making any change and I click on save. Okay, save in the sense something is getting run at that time. Salesforce configuration part is can't decide. So in order to overcome that, we need a uh, coding part and all. So that's why like by configuration alone is not enough. One of the limitation, this is one of the limitation which we are having in the configuration part. Okay, I will try to give very simple movie example. I'm not this Aravinda Sameta. I will try to give you in a different way. Suppose imagine you have a secret file. Okay, secret file. So sometimes you want to give it to your best friend, or sometimes you want to give it to your brother, or sometimes no one. All right, so this is changed based on the situation. So that is the dynamically. Okay, dynamic in the sense it changes based on the situation, it should change. But Salesforce configuration is like a strict teacher. Okay, I was talking about the configuration part. It's like a strict teacher. It's like you must tell me one rule, like I will follow only that particular rule forever. Okay, it's like, okay, I in the configuration part, this particular case or any record should be assigned to this user, then only it will do, but it will not decide based on the situation. Maybe that owner get changed, that will not decide. Okay, so Salesforce cannot do dynamic sharing, right? So if the condition is true, it will share with the users. If the suppose examples I was saying, if the amount is high, we will give the edit access. If it was created by the manager, we will share with the manager only. Okay, in this case, right, so you need a apex coding. Okay, because this code can think and decide at the runtime. Okay, that's the simple way I can able to explain. Still, you if you're not able to understand, right, you can just let me know in the comments. Maybe I will try to explain in a different way so that you will understand this point. Okay, so I'll just give you the what we have discussed so far. So Salesforce configuration cannot decide, okay, who to share a record with during the program. Okay, so sharing rules must be fixed. To change the sharing the based on the condition, right? If you want that, then we have to use the apex code. Remember this. Okay, I hope you get the point. And that's all in this video. Thank you.